Guys, I'm making a juice for tonight. I want to start juicing 3 times a day, and this one might not be the healthiest one because I'm using this juice cocktail. It says it's 100% vitamin C per serving. As you can see, I use this a lot. No high fructose corn syrup, no artificial flavors, no artificial colors, no preservatives, very low sodium. So we're gonna see, I can see the ingredients right there. So I've already put some frozen mangoes in there because I wanted them to like kind of defrost a little bit. And I'm going to put about a bit more than that much juice in there. I'm gonna put some ground flax seeds. I'm gonna take a tablespoon worth, about a tablespoon. And then I'm gonna use some chia seeds or chia seeds. Different people say different stuff. About the same amount of that. And then I'm gonna use some beets. This is beet powder, and it's gluten-free. Yeah, I'll use a full teaspoon of that because I really don't like the way it tastes until I can get used to the taste of these smoothies. I usually do spinach or some type of green in there when I do them, but we're starting back up, so we're just gonna. Okay, and I'm just gonna pour this in our glass. I fixed other one too, because hey, why would I eat and drink healthier without making sure my little one is doing the same? So taste it. And it's actually a little bit too sweet, so next time I think I'm gonna do it with water, and I feel like that'll be the healthier version, but this gonna get drunk anyway. Another thing I wanted to do to make my lifestyle a lot healthier was to get a purifier. So this one I got out of CVS, and it says it's certified to remove 99% lead, removes 96% mercury and 92% of certain pesticides, reduces chlorine, the taste and odor, and more. And you can use it on the go, for ice, baby formula, pets, coffee and tea, and cooking. So it's saying that you can drink this from the tap, so we're gonna see. So I'm gonna hook it up and I'll show you guys how. All right, so inside is this, whatever it is. Oops. These are the different things for the spigot. And then instructions, which will be very important in a coupon. So we'll definitely keep in that. Okay. So I'm gonna take that out. I'm gonna read the instruction manual, and I had to screw this piece on here. And then you take this that was in the foil part and place it in there, and then twist this back on. Oh, this is an easy setup. So after I twist this on, you literally just turn that onto there. So I'll show you when I'm. It also says that the filter, it filters up to 100 gallons and lasts up to 3 months. So that's the timeline of when you need to buy a new filter. Guys, this is my water drinking goal for today. I actually filled it up. It was filled up to the top. So this is as much I have drinking today. What time is it? It is 10:49. So this is my second glass of juice for the day. I did use the filter for the first time. I still gotta wash my dishes. Don't judge me. But this is what I've drinking so far, and we'll see if we get all of this done by the end of the day. It's 9:37 p.m. and I did not get all of this water drunk, but I got more than halfway, I feel, or like halfway exactly, which is very good for me because I'm not a good water drinker, but I'm trying. And so tonight I'm gonna eat an apple, and I'm still drink some more water before I go to sleep, but I am going directly to bed. I am exhausted. I did 2 fruit smoothies today, a whole lot of water, and some cashews. And I did, y'all, I'm trying, don't judge me, I did eat like one of those Tostino pizzas, but I'm still proud because I feel like I did really, really good as far as drinking the fruit smoothies and getting enough water in compared to what I usually drink. So I'll just keep you guys informed, and I'll be back.